like you trying to go somewhere. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning, welcome on back. If you have not already streamed, downloaded, bought my single Living Life, you are totally missing out. It is a summer bop. If you don't believe me, check the description box below. So now that we got the particulars out the way and you're subscribed to my channel and everything is all gravy, let's talk about this look. I'm literally getting ready to go to a couple of events today in Atlanta. I don't really want to go. I literally am like, I want to be around people because today was a rough day at work. But I pushed through, I pulled this look together. So, if you want to see how I got here, y'all know what to do. Just keep watching. Alright y'all, so this is going to be like a little quick get ready with me kind of thing because per the usual, your girl is late. And I live on a whole nother side of town than the event that I'm going, well, the two events that I'm going to tonight. And this is like one of those things to where I done had a long day, I'm tired, I really just want to Netflix and chill, you know, but because I didn't have such a great day, you know, in my full-time job, I'm like, you know what, let me come on here, you know, play me some makeup, get my juices going, and go to this event and then the other event after that. You know what I'm saying? You know, I'm trying to work through my issues right now. And the best way that I know how is either one, music, or two, makeup. And voila, here we are. Alright, so today's look is gonna be uber basic. Like, it's gonna be like a quick little smoky eye. So like if you have like an event that you need to go to, or you need to throw together a makeup look, girl, I got you tonight. I got you. Alright, I'm going to an event tonight. Well, two actually. One is an album release for one of my vocal coaches, which if you have not heard my single yet, just click on it down below. You know what I'm saying? Help me help you. That's the name of the game. But Avery Floyd Jr. is my vocal coach. I'll leave his information down below. He dropped his project today and I'm super excited. So per the usual, I'm running late, so I need to, you know, get my life together. So I am not gonna prime my face. I'm just gonna take my Mario Badescu spray, cause legit, I'm legit running late, and I'm looking at the clock like, girl, what are you doing? And I could have got up out of my bed like an hour and a half ago, but you know how it is when you're laying in your bed. It's so nice and you're catching up on DVRs for those of you all who still have cable, you know, in the house. Like, it be like that sometimes. Oh well. Alright, so I'm just gonna take my little buffing brush and just kind of buff on in the skin. Y'all know I'm still using my CoverGirl. And I don't know what it is about the summertime, but I use mostly drugstore during the summertime. And here's my reasoning. I'm gonna tell y'all why. So, how I think about it is, so you're at the pool, you're on vacation, you know, what happens if you have to, like, you know, leave some stuff behind because you bought too much on your vacation, or you lose something at a hotel, you forget your makeup at the hotel. Like, are you really wanting to replace Lancome or CoverGirl? I say CoverGirl, okay? I'm sorry, hate me, but that's how I process and decision make. So during the summertime, you pretty much gonna catch your girl in like drugstore brands, you know? But I mean, I really wear anybody's brand. It just depends on what I feel like doing. And today, it was the most convenient, so. And it's the summertime. And I'm really not trying to go full out because this is a full coverage foundation, but it has a medium coverage feel. Like, I get the coverage that I need without the weight. Okay, anyways, now that I have my concealers all together and I've let them kind of marinate on my face, I can go ahead and blend them on in. And I'm just gonna take my Morphe sponge and I'm gonna wet it with a little bit of my Mario Badescu spray. If you all been following me for a while, y'all know I don't use like regular water for my beauty sponges. I usually use a primer water or face water because it just, I don't know. I like the way it feels on my face. And it works better than traditional water. But anyways, I was on YouTube and I was watching this video. Her channel is As Told by Kenya, and she was talking about how the beauty community, like nobody's really watching beauty channels anymore because all we care about is like the drama. And to her point, I get what she was trying to say, but I still think that people still like to watch people do their makeup. I just feel like right now we're in a space to where you have to feel like relatable, right? So I started my YouTube channel in 2011. Okay, and I'm just gonna go back in with the buffing brush and just kind of tap that in. I started in 2011, and it was legit because I was a journalist student at the time when YouTube first happened, to where when I got, you know, on YouTube, it was really basically for my work, you know, as a journalist, to showcase my skill. Well, once I moved my work over to Vimeo, I'm like, so what am I gonna do with my channel? I decided to do beauty because I knew that my music was coming along. So in the meantime, let me create content that, you know, goes all together. But I do understand a little bit of what she's saying. I just feel like now you have to be a personality. So you have to think of yourself as a TV host when you get on YouTube. So that's what I do. I personally don't think the beauty community, like lifestyle channels on YouTube, are going anywhere. I feel like they're very, very alive and well. Those algorithms though are trash, but a lot of women and men in makeup and on YouTube are making their money doing other things, like Vic Ram. He is one that's on YouTube. He doesn't have like a big following on YouTube, but he has a really big following on Instagram. So bro, man, he making his coin. But I say all that to say, it is okay. And I have learned this over the past couple of, I'm just gonna take my Derma Blend loose setting powder, and I'm just gonna set under my eyes because I don't want any like little lines under my eyes in these pictures tonight, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, I digress. What I was saying was, I just feel like with the way in which YouTube and content creation is going, I mean, you have to really be versatile. And it just hit me today, like when I was at work, and it was a bad day. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, it was a bad flipping day at work. I just realized, like, in order to be like relevant, you know, in what you're doing, just be personable, be yourself, be authentic. And what's for you is gonna come for you. You know what I'm saying? Right now, I work, you know, as a television producer right now. You know, while I'm working as a musician, but at the same time, it's just like I have to really think to myself, like, I'm doing something that a lot of people would kill to be able to do. I just can't ever get ungrateful. So I get on here and expose myself, you know, because I mean, I just feel like, I don't know who needs to hear this other than me, but wherever you are in life, or whatever you think you should be doing or could be doing, like, it's all in each's own season, right? So just because something isn't working out for you right now does not mean it's not gonna work out for you. You just have to be patient. And I'm learning patience is a virtue. Okay, so today I'm just gonna be using the Oldie But Goodie, the Dose of Colors Desi and Katie Francation palette. What I'm gonna do is I'm just going to take, hopefully this brush is clean. I'm just gonna take Churro. I think, yeah, that's the color right here. And then I'm just gonna work that onto my crease until I feel good about it. I didn't set my eyes or anything because I mean, it's not really that serious today. But I'm just doing the best to even get up and out of my bed on a Friday night when all I want to do is lay in the bed and watch TV. Like, that's legit all I want to do right now. But yeah, enough of me rambling on. A couple of you all have hit my Instagram and y'all are like, hey Chica, what's up with the music? Like, we had no idea. And you're right, y'all had no idea because I don't really pub on like my YouTube channel like that. But I've been singing for a cool little minute, right? And I just decided in 2019, the hashtag was going to be new things in 2019. And while I had been in journalism for a good part of my 20s, I was like, you know what? I'm going to follow my true passion, which is music. I'm a classically trained flute player. I've been playing since 1999. I learned how to play by Dr. Robertson. I'll never forget. I was in the 5th grade in Catholic school. And the first song I learned how to play, because it was around fall time, the first song I learned how to play was Happy Birthday by ear. Because I was learning out of this Essential Elements book. And I was like, I want to learn how to play Happy Birthday for my mom. I learned how to play it by ear. And from there, I've always just been into music. My whole family's really been into music, to be honest with you. So it was not a shock that I was into music. But now I'm in a new season in my life to try new things, and music, I'm going all in on it. And I'm just happy that you all, are interested in the ride and want to see it, because I look forward to sharing. And next, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this color, what is it? Sheens. This one. And I'm just gonna work that onto the outer corner of my eyelid, but I'm gonna do it with a more tapered brush, a clean tapered brush. I don't think this is clean. It's not clean. Okay, what about this one? Is this one clean? Okay, this one's clean. But yeah, no, it's interesting. I'm excited. I'm really excited about the music. I'm really excited about the content that's getting ready to hit this channel outside of just makeup, because I just feel like we're just in a place now in society where people just need something to look forward to, and I just hope that I'm able to give that to you all, whether it be my music, whether it be my lookbooks, whether it be my behind the scenes. I just want you all to come to my channel and just be able to chill, vibe out to some music, get to know me a little bit better, get to know about what I like, what I don't like, meet my friends, meet my family. Because I think despite how people feel about YouTube, it's still a platform to where you can come on here and just literally just do you. Alright, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and take this, I'm gonna take Game Over, this color right here, and I'm just gonna work that all over my lid until I feel good about it. If I need to, I will use some setting spray, but for the most part, I'm just winging it at this point, because again, I really don't feel like going out, but I'm gonna put myself together because cameras will be around and I can't be looking great. I just took my Mario Badescu spray, damped it, got it a little wet, and now I'm just gonna take it in with a damp brush. I love the color payoff on these shades when you wet your brush. No shade to any other independent makeup brand that's not really like a Lancome or NARS. I'm talking about started out as an online boutique type makeup company. I don't think anybody has anything on Dose of Colors when it comes to pigments on eyeshadows, unless you're Morphe, and even then some palettes can be questionable. I'm just gonna go ahead and, because I did set with powder, I need my finishing powder, which y'all already know what it is. It's my Pure 4-in-1 medium dark. What can I say? I'm a creature of habit. So I'm just gonna work this into my skin, add a little bit more color to it. Can't be out here looking pasty, because that flashback don't lie on the camera, and I can't, no matter if I don't feel like going out, I'm not gonna look like I shouldn't be out, so gotta make sure she got some color, And then what I'm gonna do now, because this look is really hella basic. I need to be out the door in 20 minutes, at least 20 minutes. But YOLO, whatever. I get there when I get there. And then I'm just gonna go back in with my Full Spectrum Matte All Day Powder Foundation. And this is in the color Be Cool, and I'm still shook because I'm definitely neutral tone girl, but apparently this works for me too. As you all can tell by how fast I'm moving, I'm like, girl, you done looked at the clock, you know better, you know better. This is Atlanta, you know traffic is unforgiving out here in these streets, but it's cool. At the end of the day, when it comes down to decision making, I either A, drive myself, B, get a lift, or C, take my black behind on home, or just stay home. Don't even do nothing. Just be like, you know what? It's a sign from the Lord. I probably don't even need to be out right now, but I'm a woman of my word. I told my friend I will be there, so I'm gonna pull up. All right. Now, how long I stay? I didn't make no promises, so I'm still using my CoverGirl Super Stunner palette, and I'm just gonna, per usual, go ahead and just take these two colors through, right here. And I'm just gonna highlight until my heart is content, because who's gonna check me, boo? You know, when you're emotionally drained, it's just hard to get up out of here. So y'all are literally watching me work through a mild depressing episode right now. Like legit, y'all are watching me work through my feelings, doing my makeup while I rush to get to an event that I was supposed to be at like an hour ago, but it's fine. I'll get there when I get there. I'm gonna take this Aqua Stone eye pencil, because y'all know I love me a good pop of color on the under eye. And I'm just gonna go ahead and bless my lower lash line with this color. Alright y'all, I'm back. So I went on ahead and got myself together. You know, I'm ready. Might have to safety pin this up like Grandma and Annie and them used to do back in the day. Make sure my chi-chis stay intact. For lips, I'm gonna keep it super simple because, I mean, y'all already know I really ain't trying to go out right now, but I'm a good friend, so I'm going. So I'm just gonna take this NYX lip pencil in the color Espresso, and I'm just kind of gonna work that on lightly onto my lips because it is kind of like a darker color. It's not as light as Court, so I have to work really lightly. Alright, and then I'm just gonna take a little bit of this holographic effect stick from Sephora, and I'm just kind of gonna just dab a little bit just to give me some extra to my look, you know. And then to top everything off, what do I want to use? I think I want to use this. So this is the, no, I don't want to use this because this was a dusty rose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this CoverGirl. I legit, y'all, I've been looking for like the name of this and I still can't find it. I actually might have to just call the CoverGirl store and be like, hey, I bought something. Can you tell me what it is? Because I didn't keep the receipt. But yeah, anyway, I'm just going to gloss on down. She cute. Alright y'all, so this is the completed look. I'm getting ready to go. I have my purse, I have my phone, I have my keys, I have my ID, I literally have to go and check it because I'm liable to forget something. And then if I have to come back, sometimes I leave stuff on purpose so I can say, oh man, I totally forgot this at the house. Don't come back out. But I'm not gonna do that today, so I'll make sure everything is in its rightful place. But yes, this is a completed look. This is something cute to throw on. Nothing too much. I mean, the lower lash line is a little much, but not really because, I mean, there are no rules in makeup. But yeah, this is a completed look. Let me know what you think. I mean, good, bad, or otherwise. Just hit me up. But yeah, that's all the time that your girl has today. So remember, until my next upload, kindness does not cost you a thing, but your attitude will cost you everything. So until next time, remember to be kind and be you.